Brother allegedly kills sister over food and injuring another. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. Andrews police are today searching for a man who allegedly killed one of his sisters while wounding another in a heated dispute over food items. According to police report, an argument developed among three siblings at a house on Denver Crescent in Marvally around 7 p.m. on Wednesday. The dispute reportedly became physical, resulting in the brothers stabbing both sisters multiple times. Both women were taken to hospital where one of them succumbed to their injuries while the other was treated and released. The victim has been identified as Keisha Royal of New Barnett Avenue, Marvally, Kingston 20. The brother, whose identity has not yet been released, is reportedly on the run. The investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.